all, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to answer few of the questions on hair masks. Now the first question is how often you should use a hair mask. So it totally depends on the moisture requirement for your hair. See how your hair responds to the hair mask, and accordingly you can alter the frequency. It is ideally recommended to use the hair mask once or twice a week, but people with very dry or damaged hair, they can use the hair mask thrice a week. But people with very oily scalp, please stick to twice a week. Now the second question is, what is the second question? Wait a minute. Now the second question is, can you use a hair mask with conditioner? Yes, you can use a hair mask with conditioner, but make sure you follow the proper order. And remember, hair mask comes before the conditioner. The idea here is hair mask is going to inject a ton of moisture and nutrients into your hair, and conditioner is going to lock them all. It does. Yes. Now the third question is, does a hair mask replace a conditioner? Hair mask has its own purpose. It repairs your hair and provides a deeper level of hydration for your hair. Also, there are tons of hair masks for every hair problem. Although both of them hydrates the hair, replacing your conditioner with hair mask once in a while is fine, but do not do it more often, else your hair will feel limp and lifeless. So try not to replace your conditioner with hair mask. Now the fourth question is, can a hair mask damage your hair? Hair mask nourishes your hair if you include it into your hair care routine, but few of the hair masks, they include clay and high protein, so if you leave them for too long, it is going to damage your hair. It's going to damage your hair. So apply your hair mask only as required. Now the fifth question is, can you leave your hair mask for too long? No, you should not keep your hair mask on for too long. It will not allow your hair to breathe. If you're buying any hair mask, then it is already written on the product like how long you should keep it, so follow those instructions. If you're using any DIY hair mask, so keep it for 30 minutes and wash it off. Also, some of the hair masks, they contain clay and high protein, so if you leave it for too long, it may lead hair breakage, and also it can damage your hair. So please follow the instructions.